these are all of the new meme coins. What I recommend you do first on the filters on the right hand side is you reset everything. So you can click here to reset all of the different columns. You've got migrated, final stretch, and new pairs. Now what I recommend you do is click on the main protocols. So these are the ones that have the most kind of trading volume. This gives you generally the best opportunity. So what you can do is unselect all, and then for example on new pairs you click on pump. Another one is believe, that's doing well right now. You can click on bonk and heaven as well. Those tend to be the main ones, and you can actually do that in the same in the final stretch. So unselect all, pump, believe, bonk and heaven. Finally we'll do that in the migrated tab as well, and then just click apply all. So you've got those main coins there that have all the volume, especially pump fund. So on pump fund there are thousands of coins obviously launched every single day. How do you pick which ones are rugs? Now the other thing to mention is on the left here, new pairs. I've said in previous videos before, generally stay away from this, especially if you're newer to meme coin trading. You need to have a lot of experience trading this particular aspect. You have to be very quick as well, and also the risk can be very, very high. Things move very, very quickly, and most of the rugs tend to be hit. Obviously, as you go further towards the right, the percentage of rugs obviously goes down anyway. Now we're going to click on a few of these final stretch ones just to get a better idea. But first of all, in the summary box here, you can already see some important stats that tell you if something's a scam. For example, this is bundle holding, 73%, very, very high. 73% of all of the tokens of this particular meme coin are bundled together. So literally in the hands of potentially one person or two people. So obviously this is a rug, and the price is going to shoot down very shortly. And it's further confirmed by top 10 holders, which is 73%. Now you actually get a summary as well. So if you hover over, you get a summary of the bubble maps. Now let's actually open this in a new tab. This is a 1 second chart. You can see it's flown all the way up to 60,000 straight away. So that's the next rug sign. Any new coin going straight within seconds to near migration is another sign that it could be a rug.